This is the Eagle, the police of military force here in Brazil. He's starting his engines and he's going to leave a man who is badly hurt. I lost it. Let me see if I can film his starting to fly. The noise here will stay very loud. I will pay attention to the moment when he is starting to fly. We were at home watching TV and talking. I was in the house of a friend, the friend who usually travels with me. You can realize that there is something at the open door of the helicopter. That is the feet of the man who is badly hurt. He needs a very fast help, and they don't have time to leave him by car. It would be much more dangerous to him. The wind here is terrible. This is the kind of thing I wouldn't like to film in all my life. Today I was thinking about this. As you see, there are many people around here to see what happened. Look, there are several cars, fireman cars around. There are many people around here. It's a kind of terrible show that happens sometimes to people in our lives. It is the result of drinking and driving. So if you drink and you drive, be careful, because this kind of thing can happen to you. The helicopter is gone already, the traffic is free already. So I am in Santa Rosa in English. That is in Campinas, a town in Brazil, South America, state of São Paulo. Let me see if I can film it better now. Cars. Let me see if I can film it better now. Look how that car is. How that car is. They've taken the car from the street because all the cars just can't go, and the fireman and police force was making an effort to take it out. The man who was driving that car was very badly wounded, so he had to go to the hospital by helicopter. You see, he was an elderly man. He was about 60 years of age. There was a boy of about 10 years of age. And two next, here to near. As you can see, I'll try to film it here. There's an obstacle. Right here there's an obstacle where the policeman is. The fireman, in fact, is. Here in Brazil we're talking Portuguese, so the people around me is talking in Portuguese. It's just that there is an obstacle. There is a cross over here. In fact, it's not a cross, it's a street. It goes straight, and another street comes and enters in this one. You see how many cars there are here. There are many cars. The traffic was stopped. By my side is going an ambulance that came here to help people. was serious. I hope it was not tragic. I hope nobody lost here their life. So, people, local people. I would like these people to go to television one day, to YouTube one day, to internet, but never for one reason like this. Okay. So I think it's enough for today. It was a tragedy. Well, I hope it's not a tragedy. I don't know if somebody really died.